Okay guys, we got a Nissan here, and we have a p1444, which is your purge valve solenoid, and we have a p0325. You may get a crank sensor code, a p1336, or you may not. But you think to yourself, those two things, you gotta have two problems, because one is an issue with the fuel tank, purge valve, of course your vacuum or air pressure in the tank, and the other one is a knock sensor that has to do with inside the engine. Nothing in common. However, that's not true. So your purge valve, if your charcoal canister is bad, and I'll show you here in a second, it takes all the charcoal, the beads, it breaks through and comes into the lines and plugs it. And if you look into that line right there, you got a flashlight? You can see it's plugged with the charcoal right there. And so what we've done is we've disconnected the line here and we've disconnected it in the back, and we're blowing air through there right now. And so the charcoal canister we have taken off, and look at all this charcoal everywhere, all over the ground. All that came out of here, and it's extremely heavy as well. It shouldn't be that heavy. So that is the correlation between those two. I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.